Welcome again to Corolla Night. In this episode, we are going to remove the bumper. Okay, so we're going to remove the bumper for painting. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the stock bumper. Let's go there. So you're going to unscrew a couple of mounts here. So the first thing that you're going to remove is this. So you're gonna remove the grill. So these are the screws that hold it in place here. So that's the screw. And then after removing the grill, you will have another screw right over there. Do you see that? That's the actual screw that holds the bumper onto the car body. And also this one, the screw that holds the top of the grill. Then after removing all the screws and the grill, you will go here under the fender, so just over the wheel. So if you go over here, you can actually wedge it out and you can see that screw. So just remove it. It's not the stock screw anymore. I replace it with nuts and bolts, but with the stock screw you just need a screwdriver for it. And then there's one here, and there's also one here under there. So I'm gonna switch the camera. Okay, so we are now under the car. If you can see that bolt over there, you should remove that. One is this, should remove that too. There's another here and here too. So here, and one more over there, see, and to the other end of the bumper, this one. The left side of the car, I just showed you the screw here. If you climb up, the same to the other side. Here, just under the bumper, there's also another screw over there. So you just undo it, and then you can remove the bumper freely. Oh shoot. Okay, so we just removed the 3 screws holding the grill in place, so we can remove the grill frontwards. Now there are locking clips. There are still locking clips behind the grill that holds the grill to the bumper. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about. This one, and there are another more here. There's another here, and one more is there. So all you have to do is to pull the clips upwards and then push it to the front, and it will disengage. Okay. Alright, so just like that, we remove the grill. Okay, so the next thing to do is to remove that bolt over there.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Okay, so now that the bolts are removed, technically we can now pull the bumper down and remove it from the car. We forgot to remove one bolt. Here. Excuse me, anak. Gonna remove the bumper. Go. Fell down. Okay, so the next thing to do is to remove the wire connections. Hmm.
This so. Ati Arlen, Sia. Oh, not Sia. Ati Zay and me, Daddy and Mommy.
What about that?
Ati in first love is not here.
Yeah, we're not here, of course.
Daddy in first love is coming.
Mm-hmm.
We don't do the ball bit. And my base of it. And my not a bit. I need to watch it. It's too small for you.
Okay, so we
It's
completely
too small, Daddy. This is too small for you. Hmm? Daddy, what are you doing?
okay.
Everybody's
So we just removed the bumper from the car. Now what we're going to do is to remove the fog lights. Okay, so, right. So removing the fog light is very easy. All you have to do is to pinch that one, that lock there, with a screw, and then push the fog light to the front of the car. Yes. Yep. Fog light is out. Alright, so we've completely removed the bumper from the car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye bye.